coming. Yeah, that's good. Oh, that's a good fish, Bob.
It's Labor Day weekend, and I was excited to hit the water for some bass fishing with my brother Danny. Saturday morning started out picture perfect, watching the sunrise over Lookout Shoals with my brother. This lake holds a lot of special memories for me. He's the one who taught me how to bass fish here on this very lake 40 years ago. Yeah, that ain't easy for me as it used to be. Let's just say the bass gods had other plans. The first casualty was my GoPro camera.
What kind of biscuit did you get?
Steak, egg, and cheese.
I think I'm on as much on it. Whoa, that thing close.
No. Yeah, that's not good.
I forgot all about it being there.
Yeah, it's not your fault. Let's see if there's anything we got that can hook it. How deep is it? Yep, gone for good. We weren't able to retrieve it. And the day wasn't done with me yet.
I seen him, he was the right flavor.
Yep. I managed to hook into 3 bass, but every single one slipped away before I could land them. Talk about frustrating.
Oh, that was a nice one.
My brother didn't have much luck either, and by the end of the trip, the boat went home skunked. On Sunday, I was back on beautiful Lake James. I was hoping the bass were going to show me more love than I'd gotten the day before on Lookout Shoals.
Got him. That's a good fish. That's a good fish. Got to get him over this log. Oh, he came off. Dang.
Oh man,
That was a good fish. Did you see him?
no, I didn't get to see him.
Oh, I seen him on the water.
Hopefully he's on the camera because I saw a flash, but I didn't get to see what size it
He was good. Brim body. There ain't no brim, but it come off. I'm telling you. I'm telling you, dude. There's fish in this, and we are missing them. I just can't get the hook through the plastic for some reason. I don't guess this hook is bent or anything.
Let me show you something since that's becoming a problem.
Yeah.
Do this. Take that hook all the way through.
Well, I had it,
Right.
and then I pulled it back up just a little bit.
And then just barely skin hook it like that.
Oh,
And
okay.
it'll still be weedless, but it'll come through a lot easier.
Okay, so barely. Okay. And they ain't playing around, they're taking it.
Ray had been picking with me lately about being outfished, but today the roles were definitely reversed.
I swear something's on it right now, Bob. The line moving? He's a fighter. Finally. There's some fish in this little place, buddy. Come here now. Alright. I might need a little help getting this one out. Probably gonna need a little help getting this one out of it. If you don't care. Get the pliers down there. Let me give you some big ones. Yeah, whichever ones you think are worth using. Put slack in the line. Boy. Largemouth. This is a little spot, dude. Come. Come. Yeah, that's good. Oh, that's a good fish, Bob.
Good one, man. Good one.
Oh, I hope he didn't swallow it too, dude. They're just being aggressive. It's the same spot though. Let me get some slack. Good gosh. Oh man. Golly. Why they keep wanting to do it like that, dude? The same spot. Which way you want?
Okay. Move on down to that one.
Nice.
Sorry about the fish.
That's all right.
That's worth it, dude. That's a good fish.
That's two good ones.
Please like, comment, and share. It really helps the channel.
Set the hook anyway. There it was. Pretty good. He's got it in his mouth again. Get some slack in the line. I wish he wouldn't swallow them like that, man. They're just so aggressive today, Rick. It's not the same as it was the other times.
Take a moment to subscribe to the channel.
I mean, he just takes it, and I set the hook, and it's in there. Makes me not want to fish.
Ray was really concerned that this bass may not make it, even though it did swim off after we released it.
Yeah. You know, 99% of the time we save them. I feel better if I don't see him floating around a little bit.
2 days in a row, no fish for me. Meanwhile, the bass and Ray had the winning hands this weekend. Even though the bass laid the smackdown on me, fishing with my brother where I learned the sport, and spending time with a friend on Lake James is what it's all about. The bass may have skunked me, but they can't take away the memories made this Labor Day weekend. Keep bassing, and see you next video.